Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the exact function in Excel. So, the exact function is used to compare two text string in Excel and uh, and so let's take a look at the data we will be working with today. So here we have a simple table with two columns, name 1 and name 2. So our goal is to check if the name in each row are exactly the same considering both the text and the case. So the exact function is straightforward to use. So it compares two strings and returns true if they are exactly the same and false if they are not. For example, let's say we want to check if John in column A is equal to John in column B. So we will use exact function. Since Excel is case sensitive when using the exact function, so John in column A and John in column B would not be considered the same because in column A J is capital letter and in column B J is in small letter. So exact function is case sensitive. So this function will not consider these two the same. So now let's type the formula. So we will type exact. We will select our first text and then we will select our second text and press enter. So here we can see that it has returned false uh, mm, because these both because the in column A J is in uppercase and in column B J is in lowercase. Now we will double click here and here we can see that apple in column A and apple in column B are exactly the same. These both are written in proper case, but it has returned false because B is in capital letter and here B is in a small letter. And I hope you have understood how to compare two text string by using the exact function. Thank you for watching this video.